everyone, my name is Samuel and welcome to our channel Om Sam Education. Today we are going to learn about Class 6 NCERT Science Chapter 3 whose name is Separation of Substances. In our previous video we have already learned about sorting metals into groups, question answer. In this video we will learn about third chapters. So before we start, we have to know the meaning of this topic. What is separation of substances? Answer is, when we separate one substance from a mixture of substances that is made by two or more than two kinds of substances. Means when we separate one substance from a mixture of two or more than two kinds of substances, it is known as the separation of substances. So, I hope this is clear to you. Next, we will learn about methods of separation. There are different methods of separating substances. There are many types of methods for separating one substance from the mixture of two or more than two kinds of substances. Among these, there are some examples of methods or different methods of separation. So, they are hand picking, fishing, winnowing, sieving, sedimentation, decantation, filtration and evaporation. Now, we will start with hand picking. The process which components, the process by which components are just picked up by hand, means a process by which components are just picked up by hand. It is known as the hand picking. Now you will tell how this hand picking process is performed. See, if a component of solid mixture is big and visually different, it can be separated by hand picking. If a solid mixture means solid substance mixture is big, means some of its particle is big or visually different from the other particles, then it is separated by hand picking method. Now some examples is there. Separation of stones from rice or dal. Then we will know about threshing, our second method of separation. So, the process in which grain is separated from chaff by beating, means when the grain seeds are joined with chaff, we have to separate them. What we will do, what the farmers do for it? First, they take the chaff, which is also known as paddy, by collecting. So chaffs are collected in a bundle, then kept on the sun. After it dries, it suddenly comes out from the chaff. So they beat it and take out the grain seeds and throw out the chaffs. So some example is there. Separation of grain from chaff by beating grounds. Then now the third method is winnowing. The process of separating heavier and lighter substances by wind or blowing air when the process of separating heavier and lighter substance. Means if there is two substance mixture is there, if one is lighter and one is heavier in weight, then we can easily separate it by wind or blowing air. So you have seen in rural or village area, they take one place and in the ground they soap and mud. After then they climb up in a higher place, then put the husk or there is a grain and husk mixture. They put it from a height. The husk flows off and the wheat falls down to the ground. You have seen it. Okay. There is a heavier place. They climb up and put the mixture of husk and grain seeds. The husk flew away by the wind and the grains fall down to the mat. By this process, the winnowing is achieved. Then some examples are separating seeds, grains from husk. Okay. So I have already told that grains are separated from the husk by blowing wind. In our next video, we will learn about the remaining subjects. Thank you.